Go.
Hi, I'm Amelia from Ask the Bellwether, and today I'm going to show you this new wheel from Spinolution. It's called the Wind Wheel, and we're going to assemble it. Now I've taken mine out of its packaging. What I have is the main body, the two treadles, the two side feet, the head, two bobbins. There's a third bobbin already on the head, the drive band. Then there's 4 of these longer screws, 2 of these shorter screws, and 6 of these ring washers. So the first thing we need to do is put the treadles on. This side is the side your audience would see when you're spinning. This side is the side that you would see while you're spinning. So the treadles go on this piece and this piece. And you see they have holes in them. There's a hole right there that fits right here. And this can be a little bit tight. You just want to nudge it down. And then take your screwdriver or your screw gun and take your short screws. Put the ring washer and then the screw and then put it in. And then turn it over to do the other one. Again, you've got that hole right here and this skinnier piece sticking out here. And there's a pre-drilled hole right there and right there. So again, nudge it down. Mine's pretty tight. I live up in Washington where we have high humidity. If you live somewhere that's really dry, yours probably won't be as tight to put together. Put the washer through the screw through the washer. Put it in that hole right there. Get your drill or your screwdriver. And what I like to do is just put everything in once and then go back around and tighten them up a little bit when I'm all done. That way if I've made a mistake and I need to take something apart, I don't have to completely take the screw out because I haven't completely put the screw in. Now I'm going to do my 2 legs, and each leg has 2 holes for screws, and it slides up so that the bottom of it meets the bottom of this piece down here. It doesn't go all the way to the top here. And for this I'll use the longer screws with the washers on them. Turn it over and do the other side. Again, those 2 holes will line up with my screw holes here. And push it up from below so it sits right there where the 2 pieces match up. This is the last screw. And so that's the base of our wheel all put together with the treadles on. Now I have the head to put on here, and it goes in. There's these 2 pieces here, these 2 black knobs, and if you can see, they screw in and they tighten. You want to loosen them so that there's no screw showing inside this wooden part. Okay, it has to be completely empty. So I'm going to loosen these up until I don't see any of the screw poking in that hole. And this has these little felt pieces, so it'll slide in. Be nice and snug there. and it meets up exactly, and then you'll screw these in, both of them, till they're tight. Okay, and that's female tight, not male tight. Okay? Now, the last thing we have to put on is the drive band. And I can put my drive band here. That's the main wheel. Oops. Then I need to pull it up and put it there. So whichever way it works for you. You'll probably go sprung a couple times while you try to get it in. And then if you see what you have here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 grooves in here. And those are so no matter where you put it on here, on this the littler whirl, it will walk over and line up with it. See how it moved that way a bit? Now, the smallest one makes the pulley, the flyer, go the fastest, and the largest one makes the flyer go the slowest. So when you're first starting out or you're spinning thick, you want it on the largest one. And as you want to spin faster or finer, you'd move it down to smaller ones. This is your largest one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 different ratios for 6 different speeds. So that is the assembly of the wheel. Soon I'll follow up with a video on how to put the bobbins on and off, and how to adjust the brake band. Thank you.